Okay, welcome back to the R44 YouTube channel. Now, I'm going to ask you one question. Have you ever thought about spending £200+ on a set of bolts? Me neither. But after today's video, I'm going to make you reconsider that choice. Got Danny's G81 build back in for a set of Downstars. Now, by the title and thumbnail, you would see that this is specifically on the Downstar kit, which is over on the bench. So we're going to go over to the bench now and check out the kit and what we're installing today. So, like I said, this is the full Downstar kit that you'll get. Today, we are fitting them to a G81. That is the bluntest knife I've ever come across. Put that over there. Now, I don't want to mess it up because Charlie is fitting them. So this is what you'll get in the kit, which I believe consists of 70+ pieces to dress up your engine bay. Look at that. Downstars for days. Wow. All individually packaged. Look at that. Now, normally we will be matching these Downstar kits to the golden wrench caps that we will be installing. We've installed a set of like unique sort of one-off ones that you will see over in the engine bay. They're not the normal ones that we stock. We normally fit sort of similar to these, which will be the grey, blues and reds, golden wrench kits. So today we've got this, very nice like OEM plus sort of vibe for Danny's build, which will be cool. So what you most likely would have seen with the Downstar kits or the dress up kits in general for the engine bay is that they actually originated in the JDM sort of Honda scene. I can't actually picture or imagine really where this dress up kit come from with the German cars and coming more to the European side of things. But the Downstar kits are massive. We fit so many of these that like in a week, I couldn't tell you how many individual pieces that we fit. But these are made obviously an OEM replacement for the G81. These are more of your basic fitted sort of CNC machined bolts that you would get. They do run a premium set, which will be more titanium ones if you wanted to leave them raw or burnt if you wanted that extra premium feel. But these are made from billet aluminium, so the quality is still there nonetheless. And we'll replace the corroded sort of disgusting ones on the engine bay already. Plus there is a full carbon engine bay, carbon strut brace, carbon intakes, so these bolts are going to set it off nicely. These are kind of the only things that are missing now. So like I said, with the standard set, there are grey, red and blue ones. We've got this like OEM finish, silver finish, which is quite cool, and then you have the titanium ones as well, which are stronger and lighter. So you don't have to worry about any added weight with the Downstars. And actually, just before we head over to the engine bay on the G81, before we start fitting these actually come in about 10 to 13 different colors, which off the top of my head I cannot list off, but you'll be able to find them somewhere on the internet if we don't stock them at R44, which most likely we will do. Let me package these up nicely like that, leave them for Charlie over here to come fit, and we're going to head over to the engine bay now and see each individual bolt that we will be replacing on this Downstar kit. And it is key to mention that if you want to go more premium with the Downstar kits, titanium, they offer kits that are 100+ pieces. Today we are fitting ones which I believe are about 70+ pieces. So let's get to it. Let's get in the workshop, get in the engine bay and start fitting these bolts. So the golden wrench caps are now on. It is time for the Downstars, which I believe, like, what is there left on the interior? There's absolutely nothing left in this interior that I'm looking at. There is carbon absolutely everywhere. So just to update you on what we've done, we obviously have the CSF charge cooler for the Stage 2 Plus, isn't it? Charlie? Yes. Yep, Stage 2 Plus. Obviously, Tom Reilly sauce, the Eventree strut brace, carbon intakes, carbon bay, headlight covers, as well as the covers up here as well for the scuttle panel. Again, golden wrench, and the Eventree engine bay, engine cover, which we actually cut out so we can see the CSF, because we like a bit of stance points as well. This build is absolutely incredible. Cannot wait to see it this weekend at the Ultimate BMW show. So this is the fitting manual for the Downstars, which nice color coded, nice key there. Shows you each individual ones, as well as on the bonnet latches. We're about to fit all of these 1x2. Obviously number one being the fenders, it's these ones. So we have the first one, which is the fender bolt. So it's going to come out of there, which the OEM one looks like that, which looks horrible. Where is the OEM one? Did you take that one? Now, when you see this, it's like body color, it just gets lost in the engine bay. But we are taking attention to every detail of the car. So now we will get a Downstar fitted to here, and you can see the difference. And look at that, just like that. We'll obviously tighten these up and torque these to spec, but this is what they're going to look like, which is actually a really nice addition, and it goes with the car. So obviously these we sell in blue and red, and there are a few other colors that I said in the intro that you can get, but we're going with these sort of brushed silver look, which is nice. I don't want to touch the carbon. So we have actually encountered a bit of an issue here with all the carbon that we've got fitted to the engine bay. That the carbon actually covers a couple of the bolts that we are replacing. We have to remove the carbon so that we can fit these bolts. So this is what it looks like without the carbon bay headlight covering, and that's what it looks like after, which cleans the engine bay up a lot, because you don't want to be seeing these exposed wires. You know, you get headlight modules and things like that. They don't look as cool. We are taking these off now, and we are replacing these two bolts, which if you didn't have the carbon bay headlight covers, you'd obviously get to see them, which will be two nice little additions just there on those two bolts. But we are going to fit these and then cover them with the carbon. So, like I said, we now have the fender braces fitted, which are those two in there. Hopefully you can see them either side. Those ones are a bit more clear. We are now removing the even true strut brace so that we can get some more bolts. That most of the Downstar bolts have been installed, and yeah, they're looking good, which with these washers, they actually give them a lot more presence. So it makes even that bit more difference to the engine bay. Then again, look, they're here, like they're here, they're hidden everywhere. So let me know in the comments, does this make enough of a difference for you to buy them, or would you want to go for a different color like red, blue, anything like that? We have them in stock at the R44 website. Go check it out. So we have them in stock so you can come down and get them fitted within the same day and leave with the dress up kit and your engine bay looking very nice. Okay, so while we are wrapping up the video and the car is done, I wanted to show you specifically the red kit that you can get, but I do think this is a customer order, so annoyingly I can't actually take these out the bag. Same with the blue Downstars. Hopefully I'll be able to throw up a picture somewhere on the screen where you will see exactly what it looks like on the car once they're all fitted. And also I wanted to show you, well, this is actually a bonnet latch, but it's the same sort of red color. So when you get a golden wrench cap set, obviously it'll be the same color as this. Look at that. Pretty bang on. And then we'll also have a corn cap here, I believe. I don't know what car it's for, but you can tell the color with that. And also here. So if you did want a bit more of like a vibrant setup, a vibrant sort of change to the car rather than like this OEM Plus one we're doing here on the G81, then I'll suggest you get a set of these, either red or blue depending on your car's color. But yeah, I'm not sure what I'd go with mine. Mine's up on the ramp here, put onto it, which we won't show you just yet, but stay tuned on the socials, you'll find out soon enough. But it's green, so yeah, I'm not sure what I'd go with. I probably would go with a set of these OEM ones here, but the standard car is grey, so I would probably choose between blue or silver. So that is it for the Downstars. So they are the Downstars fitted. If you are interested, then hit up the description below. We'll send you a link to the Downstar kit that we fitted to this car. Go on the R44 website. I'm sure you can find the specific set for your car, as well as the golden wrench caps, which together they'll make the most amount of difference. If you do want to just go for the bolts, then that's fine, but obviously the caps will make that much more difference to the engine bay. And if it's carbon like this, that just sets it off perfectly. I don't think there is anything else left in this engine bay that we can complete here. It's all done. So if you have enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, do all of that. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one.